There's a reason that some rooms feel just right, like they were designed for deep thought, rich conversation, and effortless style. Have you ever felt that unmistakable energy that pulls you in as soon as you enter the room? That sense of connection and enrichment? Today I'm giving you 10 interior design styles built for men who appreciate depth, sophistication, and a little bit of mystery. The first one's going to be dark academia. Dark academia will make you feel like you've stepped into a fantasy world in the best way possible. If you love books and films like Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings, this style will feel right at home. It transports you into a world where imagination knows no limits, where creativity thrives. If you've ever wondered how J.R.R. Tolkien conjured the Lord of the Rings, you can almost picture him surrounded by this aesthetic while writing. When it comes to moodiness and evoking deep emotion, dark academia stands in a league of its own. This style pulls from the hollowed halls of classic European universities, the scent of old books lingering in grand libraries. Rooted in Gothic, Victorian, and neoclassical influences, it romanticizes knowledge, intellectualism, and old world charm, all wrapped up in a moody, introspective atmosphere. Warm, scholarly, deeply layered, this style embraces dark wood, vintage books, candlelight, and antique details. It blends classic academia aesthetics with a brooding Gothic edge, evoking a world where philosophy, literature, and history all intertwine. In terms of furniture and decor, you'll find things like vintage wingback chairs, tufted leather sofas, antique desks with ornate details, large wooden bookshelves filled with classics, oil paintings, busts, and candle holders, dark pattern rugs, and probably some velvet drapery. If you're drawn to nostalgia, intellect, and the romance of academia, this style creates a world where every room tells a story. It's for those who find beauty in philosophy, literature, and the quiet hum of a dimly lit library. It's a space that doesn't just hold knowledge, it feels steeped in it. The next one's going to be moody mid-century modern. Imagine taking the Brady Bunch house and injecting it with a cocktail of high intellect, artistic chaos, and unapologetic edge. Now that you have that, you have moody mid-century modern. Right brain creatives are going to feel perfectly in place here. Irregular shapes, pops of color clashing with deep, desaturated tones. It's a smorgasbord for the eyes, constantly pulling your attention in different directions. A poster child for the dark and moody look, this style thrives on controlled chaos. Born in the 1940s and 60s, mid-century modern took cues from Bauhaus design, Scandinavian minimalism, and post-war optimism. The moody variation swaps the bright and airy tones for deep, dark materials, adding depth and sophistication. Sleek, timeless, and effortlessly stylish, this aesthetic features clean lines, organic shapes, and a refined color palette that balances warmth and brooding edge. In terms of furniture and decor, you're going to find things like low-profile sofas with deep seats, Eames lounge chairs and curved wood furniture, glass and metal coffee tables, abstract art and geometric patterns, floor-to-ceiling moody curtains. For those that love classic minimalist design but crave a darker, more masculine touch, this style is going to offer sophistication with an edge. The next is going to be traditional English gentlemen's club. Premier golf clubs and exclusive members-only lounges treat this aesthetic like a rite of passage, and rightfully so. It never gets old. History surrounds you in the moment that you step inside. Suddenly, you feel it. You belong here. Old money has shaped you. Your place in the world is secured. Good for you. Now grab your skeet rifle. We're going out to shoot clays while the huntsman gathers the foxhounds. A 50-year-old Balvenie sits on the table. Pour yourself a glass. We have things to discuss. Inspired by 19th century British gentlemen's clubs, this style reflects a time when aristocrats and intellectuals gathered together for cigars and whiskey to discuss business, politics, and philosophy. It's refined, it's luxurious, it's deeply traditional. It features dark wood, tufted leather seating, and warm, intimate lighting. all creating an atmosphere of quiet exclusivity. With the furniture and decor, you're going to find things like Chesterfield sofas and wingback chairs, wooden desks with green banker's lamps, whiskey decanters and cigar humidors, Persian rugs and classic oil paintings, bookshelves and vintage globes. If you appreciate old world luxury, prestige, and a space that feels like a private retreat, this is perfect for a study, a lounge, or a whiskey room. The next one's going to be Gothic Modern. Gothic Modern is dramatic, it's elaborate, and it's rich with history. It's fit for a king's grand entrance. It reaches into the past, spins it into the present, and presents a style only those with a keen eye for ambiance will truly appreciate. Gothic is a misunderstood word, but make no mistake about it, this style delivers one of the most powerful combinations of grandeur and finesse that you can imagine. And just because your home isn't a Gothic cathedral doesn't mean you can't achieve a Gothic-inspired interior. A contemporary take on traditional Gothic architecture, this style blends dramatic, historic elements with modern minimalism. It's romantic yet bold, featuring high contrast color palettes, ornate details, dramatic lighting, and rich, moody tones that create a striking, sophisticated space. With the furniture and decor, you're going to see things like dark-hued furniture, ornate tables, dramatic chandeliers, and candle-style lighting, Gothic-style art, of course, statues and iron fixtures, tapered, pointed arches in the furniture and the mirrors. Just a reminder that if you would like our help in designing your room, you can have that help by clicking the link in the description below. The next one's going to be dark Scandinavian. IKEA has made Scandinavian interior design run rampant. There's nothing inherently wrong with it. It's appealing, and that's why IKEA is successful. But what if there were a more sinister cousin to the style? Something a bit rougher around the edges. Enter dark Scandinavian. To me, this style digs deeper into the Nordic bloodline. We're talking about the culture of the Vikings. And you know who you wouldn't find sitting in a light and airy living room, sipping coffee out of a mug that says Hello Monday while gazing through the window? Ragnar Lothbrok. Dark Scandinavian pulls Nordic elements together in a way that feels more true to their roots. It's bold, it's moody, and it's steeped in history. A moodier take on Scandinavian minimalism, this style trades bright whites for charcoal grays, deep wood tones, and black stone surfaces. It's minimalist yet atmospheric, combining clean lines, cozy textures, and nature-inspired materials to create a space that feels warm but dramatic. With furniture and decor, you're going to find simple, functional Scandinavian-style furniture, contrasting tones, minimalist black and deep brown sofas, textured wool throws and soft lighting, subtle geometric or nature-inspired art. For those of you that love simplicity, but you want a deeper, more dramatic aesthetic, this style offers that clean sophistication with a moody soul. The next one is going to be Parisian Noir. Picture this. It's a Saturday morning. Your home is a French manor on the countryside. Good for you. You've made some great financial decisions. You step outside, hit the garage door opener. There she is, a wide-body Porsche 356, black exterior, rich brown leather interior, a classic that demands respect. The weather is perfect, top down. You cruise to your favorite cafe. It's the weekend. Cafe Allonge is in order. You park immediately outside. Espresso in hand, you take a seat on the patio. Sunglasses stay on. The sun warms the city as you sip on your coffee. This is the embodiment of the Parisian Noir style. Pure class. Luxury without pressure. It's rich, but it's never excessive. Warm, inviting, effortlessly stylish. A look that I wish I saw more often in people's homes. A bold and dramatic take on classic Parisian interiors. This style blends timeless elegance with deep, moody sophistication. Ornate yet modern, it fuses intricate architectural details with neutral high contrast tones, creating creating an atmosphere of quiet luxury. The furniture and decor you're going to find here will be antique style furniture with dark finishes, large mirrors with gold frames, statement chandeliers and wall sconces, Parisian style cafe chairs with bistro tables. If you love European elegance, but you crave a more moody, modern edge, this style exudes that timeless class that you're looking for. The next one's going to be New York penthouse loft style. I'm not sure of the psychology behind it, but somehow this style manages to make you feel ultra productive while totally relaxed at the same time. It's casual, but it's comfortable, yet never so detached from ambition that you lose sight of your goals. Come to think of it, that's probably why major co-working spaces like WeWork lean so heavily into this aesthetic. Maybe it's the city-like atmosphere that keeps you in a mindset of achievement without that crushing weight of stress. Here, options are always at your fingertips, and any one of them feels right at any given point in time. Need to pop on your headphones and take a client call while pacing around? Go for it. Want to invite an industry leader over and record a podcast? Absolutely. Kick back, sip your coffee, catch up on articles, then head up to the rooftop pool. Perfect. Call up your friends for drinks and dinner. Done. Especially for city living, this style just fits. It balances hustle and leisure so effortlessly that you never feel out of sync with your ambitions or your downtime. It evolves from Manhattan's luxury lofts. This style transforms industrial spaces into more high-end, moody, and modern retreats. It combines the raw industrial elements with sleek modern touches, featuring dark finishes, metal accents, and dramatic city views that balance ambition and relaxation. Furniture and decor, you're looking at low-profile sofas, polished wood and metal coffee tables, geometric pendant lights and oversized floor lamps, modern art or abstract sculptures, high-gloss cabinets, and matte black hardware. For those of you that love that bold, masculine aesthetic with an urban edge, this style will deliver high-end luxury and a moody city-inspired feel. The next one is going to be the Gentleman's Cigar Room. Oh man, this one is a favorite, but I held back from putting it first in this video. The smoking room style has a distinct invite-only energy. You don't just walk into this space and make yourself at home. You are invited. Welcome into a setting designed for intimate, meaningful conversation. If a gentleman hosts friends or confidants here, it's a gathering of 2 to 4, never more than that. This is where high thinkers engage, where layered conversations unfold, where logical minds dissect what seem to be complex problems. This is not a party. This is not a football watch room. This is a meeting of the minds where every person at the table is fully present. Each individual grows on their own, but in these moments, these conversations are what tie their paths together. A rising tide lifts all ships. Inspired by 19th century European estates, this style reflects the warm, nostalgic atmosphere of well-furnished cigar lounges, where men gathered to discuss business and unwind. It exudes old-world sophistication, featuring deep-stained wood, tufted leather furniture, and dim atmospheric lighting for an intimate, refined setting. With the furniture and decor, you're going to find Chesterfield sofas and club chairs, hand-carved wooden pieces, brass-trimmed accessories like ashtrays, coasters, and lighters, classic artwork and framed vintage prints, and dark-stained bookshelves filled with fine literature. The next one is the Speakeasy Lounge. This is high class, it's mature, it's a style earned, not just adopted. Here you're not thinking about work or business, at least not in the structured way, but you can almost guarantee that anyone drawn to this aesthetic has a solid head on their shoulders. This is an environment where the night unfolds naturally. Plans are suggested, not rigidly set. The conversation flows effortlessly. I might have a drink. I might have 4 drinks. I'm open to the possibilities. Round of golf tomorrow? Sounds good. There's a watch I've been eyeing. Jubilee bracelet. Green dial. What do you think? It's a beauty. You should get it. A setting that breeds good conversation, spontaneous plans, and a quiet confidence in how things will unfold. A nod to the Prohibition era of underground bars, this style captures the sense of secrecy, exclusivity, and intimate ambiance that's defined through the speakeasy experience. Blending vintage luxury with a touch of mystery, it features low, warm lighting with Art Deco details. There's velvet seating and a lot of hidden elements like tucked away bars, perfect for unwinding in style. With the furniture and decor, you're going to see things like vintage bar carts and backlit liquor displays, plush velvet chairs and low tufted stools, gold-framed mirrors and moody art pieces, tassel curtains or dark heavy drapes, deco-style bar glassware and ornate cocktail shakers. For those that love the vintage charm with a mysterious, exclusive vibe, this style transforms any space into a refined, intimate escape. The last one here is going to be Western Gothic. Do you remember the first time you saw someone at a burger joint mix ketchup, mayonnaise, and barbecue sauce into one ungodly dipping concoction? You stared in horror. What in God's name are you doing, you savage? They looked back equally shocked, as if you were a clueless child, unaware of life's greatest pleasures. Who would have thought that mixing things that shouldn't go together could result in something extraordinary? Well, that is Western Gothic, a dark, moody twist on Western culture that somehow just works. Instead of crosses and shadowy figures, you get bullhorns and Native American tapestries. Instead of haunted mansions, you get a cowboy aesthetic dropped into a horror film. It's unexpected, it's bold, and against all odds, it's absolutely brilliant. A haunting fusion of Old West ruggedness and Gothic drama. The style merges that cowboy culture with dark, moody aesthetics. It's bold, atmospheric, combining distressed wood, antique metals, and deep earthy tones with a vintage Western element for a look that's both rugged and refined at the same time. The furniture and decor you'll find here will be dark leather club chairs with brass nailhead trim, rustic wood tables that have a Gothic style carving, vintage cowboy hats and Western inspired decor, black and white Western photography, dark stained bookshelves with outlaw aesthetic, a love for the grit of cowboy culture paired with a darker, more dramatic characteristic. Western Gothic fills that void of masculine ruggedness mixed with a haunting elegance. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you feel like sticking around a while, feel free to subscribe. See you on the next one.